Hey y'all, I'm Jerrett Kandzer. Dr. Watson is my boss and a good friend of mine. And so he gave me this awesome idea to create a decision-making tool for aquacultural producers in Florida. So you may not have known this, you probably didn't know this, but Floridian ornamental aquaculture producers, they grow 95% of all ornamental fish in the United States. And while that is very interesting to me because I am a fish breeder also, it's more than just a fun fact. So this allows us to hone in on the bulk of this entire industry, and it sets us up to really make gains and strides in sustainability, not only in Florida but in the nation as a whole, because they kind of set the standard due to their market share. So I created an in-depth survey and went and administered it to producers in Florida down in Ruskin, because most of our producers are near Tampa. And I got to know them, got to see what kind of issues they were facing, got to see what they wanted from us in terms of research. And so we have started analyzing the effects of several energy-saving technologies on this industry to reduce costs. Because like all forms of agriculture, it's very energy intense. So there's high protein diets that go to millions of little hatchlings and fingerlings to raise them up into adults for sale. The water, because these are mainly tropical fish, has to be artificially kept at a higher level, especially in the winter and spring. And so there are many ways that we can help them do this. So we created a comprehensive decision-making tool that is called an enterprise budget, and it allows them to input their actual production numbers, and it spits out their payback period. It tells them exactly how long it will take them to pay off this expensive piece of technology, because most farmers don't have the time or resources to do research on their own, which is why land-grant universities exist, okay? Because most goods are homogeneous. And so we are directly helping them to provide better quality products, which makes them more profitable, but it also provides an incredible amount of value to Florida as a whole and to consumers, because we are helping reduce our energy inputs, and we are also increasing our sustainability for an entire industry, and we can do that right here from the University of Florida through this research. So thank you very much for your time.